Hello all, myself GokulaVarshini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Food Technology in SNS College of Technology. So, I'm going to say about the space food. So, the production of delicatable astronaut food has long been a priority for space agencies, but in the early Mercury missions, it soon became clear that food served another crucial role. So, how food is prepared for astronauts? Let us see. Since there is no gravity in space, many things that we can easily eat on Earth are inaccessible. In the meanwhile, there are further limitations on how food are processed due to a scarcity of storage space and the requirement for food to last for months or even years. So, what then do astronauts consume when it in space? It is possible to pre-cook meals using shelf-stable materials in many situations and then vacuum package and then in bags or things as escape readily meals. However, there are instances when it is preferable to dehydrate food while eliminating as much water as you can, typically by freeze drying. So then this draws up to 98% of water from the meals, placing it into a powerful vacuum where it can squeezably be rehydrated. So the cooking in space, how it is made. Rehydration chambers and food warmers are installed on the International Space Station to prepare packaged food for ingestion. The Russian orbit segment ROS was home to the ISS first day and only kitchen, which include a hydration system for reheating food and a food warmer for canned foods. To provide the reheating feature for food items packed in packets, the United States produces the second food warmer devices in the form of briefcase. The Unity module was expanded to accommodate the larger personnel by adding a second galley. As Russian space shuttle and other ISS crew frequently ate in the respective parts with different timetables, combined dinners were uncommon. And let us see what is the flavor of food in space. In principle, food should be taste the same as on Earth as it does in the space because the effect of microgravity doesn't modify the molecular structure of the majority of food items. However, it does cause the body fluids to move, which can lead to some astronauts being congested and losing their ability to taste as well as they do on the Earth. Because of this, Tabasco sauce is a popular condiment abroad the ISS. How it is processed? First, food designed for eating in space is sometimes challenging task. For something to be deemed suited for space, it must satisfy a number of requirements. That in particular, it must be appealing, easily digestible and nourishing. Second, the food needs to be created to be consumed in zero gravity. As a result, the food needs to be light, nicely packaged, quickly to be served and easy to clean up. Food must also be easy to open, keep well their entire use. Although carbonated beverages have been attempted in space, the effect of microgravity on bleaching have made them unpopular. Burping causes the stomach ache because gravity cannot separate the liquid and gas in the stomach. Coca-Cola has traveled on further trips in the specifically made dispenser that made use of bioserve space technologies that makes use of bioserve and biochemical equipment apparatus. In 1996, Pepsi cans were shipped abroad space station. And additionally, beer has also been designed to lessen the likelihood of wet drops in microgravity and compensate for the decreased taste and smell perception in space.